already.
Great. So one of the brand new features of the rooms here at the Gran Destino Tower is our interactive TVs. So they're in all of the rooms here, and eventually will be at all the rooms at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort by the end of the year. But this is just a really easy way for our guests to enjoy a lot of different amenities from the TV. So of course you can just watch TV, but it's very easy to find all of your channels. But if that's not enough, then we have our Disney OnDemand, which we have a whole library of movies. You can learn about other Disney vacations while you're here. You can be read a bedtime story at night, and also learn about the different activities going around the Walt Disney World Resort. And if you're still bored and want to watch your own content, you can actually connect your own device. So if you bring your iPad, your phone, and you want to stream something from there, it'll stream right up on here with this code or this QR code. So that's really great. The TV also interacts with our My Disney experience. So if you're booking a reservation today, we're valued guests, but your name would be up there, your family's name, and also anything within your My Disney experience account. So your PhotoPass photos will pop up, reservations, valued guest doesn't have any photos today, but all of that you can see on here as well, which is a really neat feature. You can learn all about our hotel services, from dining to recreation, transportation, all of that is right here at your fingertips. And then our final option is our Parks and More, which just gives you a snapshot of those park hours, extra magic hours for our resort guests, for the water parks, theme parks, and Disney Springs. So a lot of really great features. We think our guests are going to absolutely love this because it personalizes their vacation.